How to change email in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can completely change the email. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom you can see this three line icon. Tap on this three line icon. Here on the right top, tap on account. So here in this account settings, now slowly scroll down. Here there's an option called login and security. Tap on login and security. So this is the section where you can change everything. Here you can see this edit button on this email profile, so simply tap on it. Now here you can simply enter the new email that you want to change it. So enter the email and tap on continue. So OTP and a verification code will be sent to your email and you can directly verify it and keep it here, and the email will completely be changed and you can save it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.